guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back. Period. I have a human hair wig review for you today. This is a wig from Beauty Forever. They sent me over their 13 by 4 frontal wig. It's a pre-everything wig, which means it's pre-plucked. The lace is already cut, the knots are already bleached, and it's already curled. Like, watch this, guys. This hair is already curled, so you don't have to do that. And that's straight out of the pack. She is a body wave texture, so when you wash her, she will be wavy. It does come with some free lace tape, and it already has the lace attached to the on the sides of the frontal lace. And this is a 24-inch one that I got. And you can also, guys, you can order her with or without baby hair, so you have that option as well. So I went ahead and tinted the lace with my Even Lace Tinting Spray in medium dark brown. And I will go over the lace with my foundation just to make it a better match as well. But as you can see, I will definitely say with this, the cap is very fitting for my head. I have a smaller head and it's harder to find like the pre-everything wigs that are more fitting, but this one is really nice. It fits really comfortably. It does have the adjustable straps and the elastic band that comes with it, so you can also adjust it to your liking. But I'm going to apply this with the tape. First, I'm going to take some skin protector and wipe off any residue that, you know, for my makeup or oils or whatever. And then I'm going to just peel the back of the tape off and stick her to my head. It is so simple and it's so flawless. Again, they do come with extra tape, so you can use those again as well. Guys, this wig was so easy to apply. I've never used wig tape before, but it was so convenient to have it already installed on the wig. I'm just going to add some baby hairs. And just so you guys know, I don't use any other adhesive. However, when I do use my baby hairs, I always use hairspray to lay my baby hairs. And that probably also helped with it staying down, but I had to have baby hairs. While you watch me create these baby hairs, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button and comment down below. And once you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, because then you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. I also have a TikTok and an Instagram page. The links to my social media will be posted in the description box. Yeah, so this wig, I love the texture of it. It was very how you say, the hair texture, you could tell the quality of the hair is really, really nice. So I really appreciate that from Beauty Forever. It's a true 13 by 4 lace frontal. As you'll see in a minute, I'm going to go ahead and part her and do a little cute updo. I don't really do updos that much, but you know, I'm gonna try to do it just to show you guys that without this wig is like so minimal effort. Look how easy the comb goes through the hair. I love the density of this unit. It's not like dramatically full and it's not thin at all. It's a really nice density. As you can see, it's still glueless. And just like shaking the hair, like I'm literally like pulling the hair and moving it, and the wig is not lifting whatsoever. And then I'm just showing you how deep it parts. It's really nice. You can do like a nice cute updo. And that's what I'm going to do. Just a cute like little ponytail updo. But look, I'm literally pulling on this unit. I'm pulling on the frontal part and it's not lifting whatsoever. This wig is secure even without any lace glue. This wig is so secure. All it has, remember guys, all it has is the adhesive tapes, the lace adhesive tapes on the side. And that's all I use to stick the wig down with. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you love this install, and stay tuned for my final thoughts. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'm just going to give my last minute thoughts on the quality of this wig from Beauty Forever. Thank you so much for sending over this unit to me. The quality of this hair is really, really, really good. It was so easy to put this wig on. The cap wasn't too big. I would say I have like a small, medium-sized head, and I feel like with the adjustments, it fit my head perfectly. If you have a medium-sized head, this is gonna be top notch for you. And it has the adjustable strap, so if you have a larger head, you can just leave the strap out and then wear the wig. The hair is super soft. I was really like excited when it came pre-curled. I can tell you, like I said, the reason why, like, I wear both human and synthetic. The reason why I love synthetic is like the curlier wigs. I don't like curling hair, so yeah. But yeah, it came nicely curled already. The curls did last. I actually took it out of the pack the day before I installed her, and the curls were still bouncy, and like, that's a real plus. That means that this type of hair can hold a good curl. So when you recurl her, she's gonna last a good while. I did it updo just to show you, like, even though it's still glueless, like, look, I did put the baby hairs, but that's what I like to do when I do updos. But this wig is flawless. This wig is this wig is so gorgeous. I really, really love it. I have nothing bad to say. Like, the tape, the install on the side, this peel and go, was so easy. It came with extra tape. If you want a more secure hold, you can just line the tape, and it's so easy to remove the tape glue. So I 100% recommend this wig to my followers. I would buy this myself. Like, they're a really good company. I reviewed one other wig before from them, and I'll link it in the description box below. But yeah, go ahead and get your hands on this one. This one is definitely a winner. And I'm not really like an updo type of girl, so I didn't know what updo to do, but this is cute. The middle part was already like slayed. Like I said, this wig comes pre everything, pre plucks, bleaches already. Bleaches, knots already bleached. What else? The lace already cut, the tape already stuck to the lace. You don't have to do nothing. If you are a beginner and you're looking to get into wigs and you don't want to look crazy, this is definitely the wig for you. These pre-everything wigs are top notch. And I know other companies are selling it, but I can just definitely tell you that Beauty Forever, their hair is top quality. You're not gonna miss on it. And everything's just top quality. So yeah, I hope you guys love this review. It'll be linked in the description box below, along with any discounts they may give me, and discount codes. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.